It celebrated to mark of the birth anniversary Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was the second president of India and a great scholar. Today a day to acknowledge and appreciate all our teachers. Hard work, dedication, commitment and patience for teaching. They have played an important and constructive role in shaping all our minds, in guiding the correct path to achieving success in life. And being good human being. There are great slok in Sanskrit dedicated by to all our teachers. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Vishwana, Guru Sakshat Paramabrahma. खूपच अशी खूप छान